Hey yo, before the video starts, I've been streaming on Twitch recently, and you can catch me at twitch.tv/PaperAcrobat_ for some Valorant games or some chill streams. Also, follow my Twitter at twitter.com/PaperAcrobat_. Stay up to date. Now back to the video. Hi, welcome back. How's everyone's global crisis? Currently, I'm suffering from a new symptom called Gavin, aka gyms are vital in North America, specifically US. Anyways, if you haven't been living under a rock, there's a deadly virus that's been happening, and to help with that today, I'll be wearing a mask for today's video. Screw that! This is my house! I'm inside my house right now, why am I wearing a mask? Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at the Samson Q2U dynamic mic, which is a very much needed upgrade from my loud ass Blue Yeti. Now, some of y'all Blue Yeti fanboys gonna be, oh, it's such a high quality mic, like I saw Pokemon use it. Alright, I just made that up. I don't know if she has one or not. In any case, it's just a bad combo for my loud ass room, because it picks up literally everything. Like, I can't even give a little fart in the middle of Zoom class without my box lighting up. Either way, that Blue Yeti needs soundproofing, and I ain't got that. So we got the Samson Q2U mic, a mic shock mount, a pop filter, a mic boom scissor arm thingy, XLR female to USB male, a phantom power, and also an extra USB hub, just in case I run out of USB ports back there. Got quite a few things plugged in. Along with all these items, I also want to hook up my camera to the as like a top-down view on my desk for future videos. So I also bought a micro USB to USB cable, a fake power supply, and also an extra boom arm thingy. All these products equivalent to a grand total of $189.04, not including tax or shipping from Amazon. I'll also leave a link down below to all the products. I'll also note that if you just want the mic, the kit altogether was about $99, which included the Samson Q2U mic itself, the shock mount, the pop filter, the boom arm extension thing. Also comes with the XLR cable and a micro USB to USB cable. So you get all of that for only about $99, which is a pretty good deal. And then I also bought that phantom power and the extra XLR female to USB, which I'll explain what happens to them. There's a little technical difficulty with them. I'll explain what happens. I also forgot to mention that when you buy the power supply or the fake power supply, make sure you have the right battery size for your camera. Since I have the Canon M50, I bought the Canon M50 fake power supply. Yeah, just double check that if you're gonna buy one. Literally just look up your camera name plus fake power supply and you'll find it. Now that you've basically seen everything, let's put it all together. Bye.
so we could go.
This is the reaction you make after wasting 30 minutes and panicking around your room wondering why a brand new mic you bought doesn't work. But in reality, there's a thing called an on and off button. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut you the torture. So basically, I just wasted more time and then just fumbled around trying to find a place to mount the boom arm to get that top-down camera angle. Couldn't find a place, so I opted for this ghetto setup. Let me show you. So I placed the clamp here, then basically the boom arm kind of just hangs up, like right here, hangs up, and then just hangs over to the left a little bit over my little desk mat. And then at the end I attach a little ball mount, and attached to the ball mount is my M50. It's pretty scuff, but it works. Part of the reason, more like the whole reason why I couldn't mount it like a normal person behind the monitor was because my table is trash. Anyways, so here's a clip of what it kind of looks like when I'm fully done with the whole camera top-down setup. This one kind of shows. It doesn't cover like the whole area, but it's a good portion I can work with. Also, I just want to give you guys a little audio preview of what everything sounded like. So, I'm going to start with my old Blue Yeti. Here we go. Tell me why. Oh, yo, wrong one. Here we go. Baba Booey. You bugging. Alright, you hear all that static, all that noise in the back, bro? It's not good. It's just not good. And plus, and that's like the first part was on low gain, and then when I turn to high gain, it gets even louder, and it's just like I could hear it through my own headphones. And right here, I was supposed to play a clip of what it sounded like with the XLR cable and everything, but when I try to plug it in, it's not even working anymore. The XLR thing didn't work, and I spent money on it, and I don't know what to do. I'll just probably keep it for now, but anyways. And then obviously, the sound I'm using right now is the USB version, using the micro USB. Sounds much better, crisper, and it actually turns on the mic. I don't know what's going on with the XLR. It says plugged in, everything's light up, but it doesn't work with the mic. I don't understand. It beats me, dude. And that's it. That basically wraps it up. That's all I have to show for the Samson Q2U. Overall, it's been a really great mic to use for the past 2 weeks. No static, and it sounds clear. Like, what more could you really need from a mic? If you have any more questions, leave them down below. I've been trying to answer all your questions from the Ducky One 2 mini video, and dang, you guys have a lot. Anyways, take care. Stay safe.